Check me out. Check me out. Check me out. Look how slick my hair is, sis. Like, what? And yes, she's 4C. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Deja K, and welcome back to my channel. To get started for this tutorial, all you need is some Got2b glue, some Got2b glue free spray, some Eco Styler gel. I believe the green one works best for holding thicker hair down. You'll need some Spritz to smooth everything out, a hard brush, a wide tooth comb, a pick, and of course you will need a hair tie. So I'm starting off with freshly stretched hair. You want to blow dry your hair as much as you can so it can get as straight as it can, because the straighter your hair, the better it will slick back and pull into a ponytail. So I'm just gonna try to get it as straight as I can so this slick back can be laid. Okay. To get a nice sleek puff, you want to work in sections. So I'm going to start at the nape of my head and just work my way up. I'm going to start off by applying the Eco Styler gel and just keep applying more products as I get to the crown of my head. As you get to the second layer, you want to make sure that you put the gel not only at the root of your hair, but at the ends of your hair too. It just makes everything smooth and slick out. On this layer, I'm going to add the Got2b glue along with the Eco Styler gel to give it a much better hold, since my hair is a bit thicker there.
Purchase your tracks today.
To give the Eco Styler gel and the Got2b glue a much better hold, I'm going to go in with the Got2b free spray, and this one was acting so crazy on me. I was so confused, like what? But I just sprayed a little bit in my hand and spread it all over my hair. Blow drying each layer is a major key to getting a slick back, y'all. Like, this is a very important step if you want your hair to be very slick, because if it's dry, it's not gonna poof up as much as it would when it's wet. And I'm just gonna keep repeating this process for each layer and smoothing it out with a brush until I am completely done. all of your hair gelled down and slicked back, you want to go in with a wide tooth rake comb and just really smooth everything out and get all those kinks and curls out so that you can put your hair back nice and tight in a ponytail.
Purchase your tracks today.
Now, you want to make sure your hair is super dry before putting your scarf on, or else you will get these really nasty streaks like I did. But no worries, because I'm going to fix that really quick just by wiping them up a bit. And I'm also going to go in with a dark brown lip liner pencil to fill in any little gaps and just to give my slip back a much more full look. Now I'm just gonna fluff and pick out my really old puff that I got about like 2 years ago, and it's still holding on. I love this puff. It's perfect for just like an on the go everyday, go to slick back look.
Tracks today.